Sanibona wey'ngane zakwethu. Sanibonani bantu bakithi. Nengozi la. Abantu beshayele kahle Nkosi yami emgwaqweni yo. Ayikho phambi umuntu emhlabeni. Ingozi yemoto ngephutha okungelona elakhe. Yo ongena ngale. Nali ikutukutu bopha umthwalo uhambe khathide kude kwanongoma ikhindaba okhonza imbuko eThekwini umuhle wena khathide ngoba yancwadi imbuka lincwadi liyajwa kuzisa. Ivoto emantombazana sefungame ngabe nishikizela nje bese nizulele indaba ukuthi iphatha nina. Untombi sophongolo zamqhoma samiyeka ngoba zazimbona ephuma kwandlala. EzaseThekwini zakhuza zababaza. Zathi hawu kanti kuliqinisa impela ukuthi amathanga ahlanzela abanganamabhodo maqede zawushaya umshungu zawukhomba kwanongoma ngoMandlakazi entabeni yezulu bakhanya endlini kaManxumalo. Wathi untombi zakithi ayisafebe umsunduzi uhudula phansi. Mfowethu nqaba uzohlunguhlungu ziyababa ziyashuphula usigawuli semthe emkhulu emncane yayiwena. Ukwabo ongizalayo loyo. Wey'ngane zakwethu. Umkhazo onkone lo. Umkhazo onkone lona. Uyabona uma uzokuthiwa khona ikhizana kuthiwa ikhizana elinkone. Yimi-ke loyo. Umhosho odunga ulwandle ngisho uthukela ngoba lungaka nje. Uthukela ngoba lungaka ngeke ludunga ulwandle. Kodwa umhosho usuka kwanongoma yaludunga ulwandle. Ikhonde libubule entabeni yezulu wananela zonke ihosha. Umbane luhlabe entabeni yezulu maqede kwamila kwanduni imfukuzane efukuzisa nganeno. Abathe beyibheke ngaphesheya komona baphaphamisa ngaphakathi kwamasipala. Uma lebhlebhu mahlaba ihlangana lo nje ngemfoloko umama ngasangithanda usethanda amantombazana ngoba ngibona nginjena mina ngafelwa ngibaba. Ngathi kunina abanye abantu ake ngenze nanku umlando kaTshatha nje ekhuluma ngophakela umthakathi. Ngiyakhumbula ngo2017 2018 uTshatha bethanda kakhulu uTshatha ukuchaza nensizwa okuthiwa uphakela umthakathi. Ngo2018 wayengachazi umuntu okusafanele kube khona into ayenzayo ukuze kuvele igama. uTshatha wayechaza uhlobo lomuntu uphakela umthakathi awuyena kodwa ngenxa yokuthi akekho ku social media uphakela umthakathi abantu babengazi ukuthi uTshatha ukhuluma ngani. Abanye babeze bemthuke bethi hawu usifunza umuntu ngifo kuhleka kusho isitabane sithi hawu nawe lokhu sifunza ngalomuntu wangakini. Kusho kuyimnqolo lapha kukhuluma kuyimnqolo okunye sekushintshile akuseyona imnqolo sekuyizinsizwa impela sekuze kwafunda kusuke ebunqolweni kwabuya kwezabe emsizweni ngoba uyabona lento yokuba nenhliziyo enhle ave imqoka bafethu. Mina nginayo inhliziyo enhle ngiyazazi ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi umuntu onenhliziyo enhle kufanele abe njalo. So ngiyazazi ukuthi nginenhliziyo enhle ngoba abantu abanenhliziyo ezimbi ngiyabazi. So ke uTshatha wayejwayele ukuyichaza lento ukuthi hayibo ikhona indoda enolwazi ngapha ikhona indoda okuningi engakwazi ukulekelela. Okokuqala nje wena Sitabane you are a Morphy, you can't call me your guy, I'm not your guy. Uma uyindoda nje uthi kimi my guy fusek mhlathi kanyoko. Awukwazi nje kimi ukuthi my guy, I'm not your guy. Nihlule kuba neintombi lapha nifuna uhambe nibiza thina ngo my guy fusek. Hambani niyemakini zinja, hambani mgodoyi. Omengameli benu le bahluleka ngisho ukukhanda izibhedlela mabegula bafuna ukuzolashelwa eSouth Africa. Owethu president ulashelwa la eSouth Africa. Ngisho ubaba uMandela ezoshona segula wayelashwa kwi-military hospital yala eSouth Africa. Abeni imkhovu nje nibuya nifune nobukhovu benu le nifuna ukuza nabo la. Alright, leli izwe solungisa bafowethu. Asizukuncenga umuntu nje. Akekho nje sizomncenga, akekho. Umuntu obengasinakile sonke lesikhathi ngake ngenza ivideo la mina ngathi owayigcina emkhulu uzophaphama ngelilanga engasemkhulu. Umuntu ofuna uba ikhansela akangene kuleli viki esilisebenzayo. Akho khansela la lizovele liqhamuke emoyeni nje umuntu singamazi nokuthi yini ayithandayo, ulwelana ufunani ini hayi ayisezikwenzeka leyo nto leyo. Niqhubeke ke nibekela wena amakhansela ayimsangano sizonibuka nje. Kodwa ngoba sesinitshelile ukuthi ikhansela liphume kubantu abalwelizwe, hayi ke sesiyobona. Noma ningathi xenophobic, noma ningathi tribalistic, noma ningathi sijani, noma ningathi we are uneducated, we are unskilled, we are in our country. We are fighting for our country with all that small brain, with all that xenophobia, with all that Afrophobia, with all that unskilledness, with all that tribalism. We are fighting for our country. We are only, and when you can stay, you can be as discriminative and describing us as much as you want. We don't care. Tina Silwela Israeli, to go and fight for your country. Your kids are being kidnapped that side. Your kids are being killed that side. And you are here in South Africa fighting South Africans. And you call yourself a man. Fusak, Hamban. See you here, bro. Next week, the following week, before the 30th, because we don't want anybody to die. We are going to remind those Nigerians that you are not what you think you are. Go back to your country. Nigerians thought they were smarter and bigger because they were fucking the MPs in the parliament. They were sleeping and scamming the MPs in parliament. Oh gogo, belala no gogo, bebanikeza imali lapha labo gogo base parliament. Abahlale bezela, balala nama Nigerians. Bonke laba bantu abangogogo abangafuni ukuphuma eParliament, abazenza intombi abagugile, balala nama Nigerians. Wonke lamasonto okudayiswa kwama drugs ama Nigerians asupportwa ngabafazi abadala izalukazi eyiseParliament ezingafuni ukuguga ezingenandaba nezingane zazo. Siyakwazi lokho. Niyakhumbula oMotoso babe supportwa abafazi bamaqembu athile baseParliament. uOmotoso ehlwengula izingane zakithi. Yabo. We are shutting down all those churches. All foreign churches will shut down in South Africa. Yeah. Just thank God that I'm not in power. Because if I get a little bit of power, I will stop all this nonsense in South Africa. In 12 months, South Africa will be back on its feet. Because benza ngamabomu abantu. Abantu benza ngamabomu abantu. Abantu, they have deals with these people. We have no deals with these people. We are unbribable. You can't buy us. We will fix this country, because if this country is fixed, izolisiza wonke umuntu. This country, if it's fixed, whoever is doing business will do business. Whoever is working will be working. Everybody will be doing their part in a good way. So that's why we want this country to come back to its feet. That's why we want this country to be back to its glorious moments. Because asikwazi bafowethu ukuthi izwe silithathe silihudule phansi. That's why we are calling on all races that are South Africans to take part in this thing. Take part in this thing. And we are warning the security companies as we are heading for the 30th of June. I'm warning you. All the security companies, I am warning you. Security companies, I'm repeating this like I can't hear myself. South African people are fighting for their country. South African people are standing up for their country. They are fighting the injustice. So do not stand against them. Anyone. I heard that some EFF members and some foreigners and some Muslims are coordinating. Actually, it's the Israelis that are here in South Africa. They are coordinating a counter march. Don't. My advice to those that are organizing a counter march, be smart. Just don't. This is bigger than everybody. You can't stop it. We are not going to break anything. We are not going to ban the country. We are not going to hurt anyone. But don't stand in our way. Just allow us to peacefully do our things the way we've been doing it for this long. So we don't need anyone now. We don't need any politician to interfere. We don't need any government official to interfere. We just need you as a person that is in power to become a South African. We need the president to be a South African. We need all premiers to be South Africans. We need all MPs to be South Africans. We need everyone in parliament to be a South African. And we need to stand together, stand on the same ground, on the same side, and face the problem. And then everything is going to be okay. We've never called for anybody to come down or to be removed from his position. So there is no need for anyone to stand against us. Siyayinyisa lento lena ngeke ngempela manje. Nganitshela ngathi leli izwe lolungiswa izinsizwa. Ngatshela ngishabaculi, ngathi webaculi in 10 years. I said this 3 years ago. Ngathi amaciko akithi kufuneka azi ukuthi ubunsizwa la eSouth Africa yibo buzobe busho ukuthi akiwe ngakuphi. Hayi ukuthi ngangikhuluma iphupho noma ngangihlabangedelela abanye bangedelela abanye sesingabangani nabo namhlanje ababengedelela. Kodwa nganginitshela into engazi ukuthi izokwenziwa yimina. Ngathi leli izwe liyokhululeka, mhlali khululeka, ngiyobe ngomunye wabantu oyobe hola abantu abayobe bekhulula lelizwe. Hamba uyobheka ama video ngoba ngangaqageli. We don't just wake up in the morning and talk rubbish. We are given visions about impilo, and we listen to those voices when they come to us and say this is what must be done, and it must be done in a very respectful way. So ke bafana bakithi, ingane zakithi, ingane zakwethu nonke, this is our country. Wonke umuntu needs to play a little part in making sure that this country becomes comes back to its normal self. So wonke umuntu ola eSouth Africa sicela abambe iqhaza ekulekeleleni izwe insizwa zakithi. Nibonile ukumasha kwenu ukuthi abantu bayahamba manje. Yabo sabona. Nibonile ukumasha kwenu ukuthi abantu bayahamba manje insizwa. Madodakazi, ingane zakithi, bodadewethu, nibonile ukumasha kwenu ukuthi yikho kwenza abantu behambe njengamanje. Ngakho ke sicela bafowethu ukuthi niqine, niqhubeke, ningaphela manje. Ayizonde inkabi ayibambe khona. Dankie.
So khona igama elisha manje kuthiwa isi Afrophobic. La ningasijwayeli kabi thina. Ningasijwayeli nje kabi ngempela honestly, because ufuna sithini mangabe sithi asibafuni abantu ama illegal foreigners in our land, asibafuni in our communities. Ufuna size senze njani? Ufuna uJacinta aziqobe inkosi yami osisi wabantu, bakithi ingane yabantu, Jesu Kristu, ukuze explain ukuthi March and March what it stands for. Usufikile ke wena neslip yezinto kumele ngabe siyafocusa kuzona. Wena yini osuyenzile sisi? Yini wena osuyenzile? Unawo ama solutions. We understand ukuthi where the people of Cape Town are coming from with regards to ama nomads angene Cape Town. You understand them. But also understand it in. Lama nomads lawa ngena South Africa lapha in Cape Town that are running up the price. Lama nomads are coming in legally. Illegal lama nomads. Into edina belungu base Cape Town is the fact that about pay dollars, and labantu laba are running up the price because ama landlords are upping up the price because ngena ama dollars. Tina silwa abantu aba illegal that are around our communities, around our children. That's what we are fighting for. Focus on fighting for corruption. Why corruption? Kutheni ungazange uzube naleyo energy for abelungu nabo balwela corruption? Kutheni thina kumele thina silwela corruption ngoba thina sathanda ivuvuzela because we like to vuvuzela, we like to toy. Kumele thina ihlale emahlombeni ethu uzibiza amagama ama Afrophobic. Osixolele bandla please, awusiyeke. Uma ukuthi awuvumelani neMarch and March kulungile siso. Ungavumelani nayo. Ayikekho okuncengile ukuthi uvumelana. Sibaningi already esihambisana nayo. And go rights asibadinga abantu aba-extra mangabe ukuthi benihleli the entire time ningayisupport iMarch and March, ningakhulumi anything with regards to it. And manje senibheka senanetphika izinto ufikile nalomunye esitshela ukuthi the minute the men are done with the illegal foreigners, the next thing they're going to come for the women and they're going to come for the LGBT. Awusiyeke hey bandla, hey bakithi, hayi eveninesidina. Yazi inkosi yami anikahle. Mina ngisho nje ngaze ngabhoreka ngempela because yini man senesiqambe elinye igama elisha. Wena awuhlali maybe eSoweto, awuhlali eOrlando, awuhlali eZola, awuhlali eThembisa, awuhlali eMlazi, awuhlali maybe elokishini. Uyabona leyo nto. Awunabo abantu bakini abahlala elokishini. Awunabo abantu abangena ba-affectwa inama illegal foreigners angena ngopotsho. Ona affected ngalokho. Ma ukuthi into ayi-affect wena on a daily or awubazi abantu abangena that have been affected. Bamba ushumpu uthule. Please. thula nje, it's okay, thula. Ungacomment, it's okay, ungacomment. Don't pick and choose wena ukuthi uhamba ngakuliphi iside. Masingakwenzi lokho. Asingakwenzi lokho.
As I've been listening to different influencers, yabo nje laba be-English deep, deliberating on the trending current affairs, izinto zo mash and mash, the issue of illegal foreigners in our country. And I must say I'm very much agitated because abantu bangaba no 5 rand ukuyohlala FOAs, suddenly they become blind to the realities of a black man or whatever that happens in the townships or the general struggles of our country. So, Maniti, when these people leave, who's going to be running these shops? Kakade obani bebarana le itolo namhlanje occupy lama illegal foreigners. Obani bebarana lezo itolo lezo. Mina ngikhulele Davidson ngakubalela zonke itolo bezila sasinendawo kuthiwa kaJayiya. Kwagrana umuntu omnyama lapho. Itolo. Kunela eMaswazini kwakunendawo kuthiwa iBushari yakababa uJoe. Kuyithanda abantu kukababa uMayisela nakababa uDube. Itolo leze ilandela nayo. Zonke zirana umuntu omnyama. We've never had casualties ezike zagula esikoleni abantwana baphuma ngeitrecha, baphuma ngama ambulance abanye saze sabangcwaba. No. Sasazi ukuthi umntwana makagulile esikoleni inyongo. We don't even think twice ukuthi uphethwe yini. No, inyongo. Uyalandwa uyachathwa ubuyela esikolweni right. Manje make bathi umntana ufeintile. Uphuma uphaphatheke emsebenzini because you don't know what to think. You don't even know ukuthi esikolweni uthengiselwe into ethengwe endaweni right, into that was properly lab tested. And namhlanje angisazi ile itolo zizorana bobani zazirana bobani kakade. Why nenza ngathi abantu abamnyama emalokishini abakwazi ukucabanga? Buildings ema-CBD zi-hijackiwe. Kugesi obhadalwa ngemali yethu ye-tax. Labo bantu aba-experience abo-load shedding nabo-load reduction because babridgile kakade. Thina la esibhadala igesi esiyithengayo si-experience abo-load shedding nabo-load reduction because sigcwele, sibaningi, sisupport abantu abanganamsebenzi nathi ababuye futhi basidelele mabaqeda. Maqeda ama-influencer abafika nge-English enkulu. No, these people, ebana akuhanjwe. Like at this point we don't care who says what. Akuhanjwe. If we are xenophobic, then so be it. If we are called Afrophobic, then so be it. But we are fixing the mess in our country. And this is exactly where we are starting. Why mele senze ngathi asiboni idamage eyenzakalayo? Ngoba abantu ba-afford ukuyothenga esentini. Thina sisele emalokishini sengathi amakhanda wethu awasebenzi. Hayi mina ningibhorile shema ngifunje ukungasho. Iningi mess. Ama-buildings are-hijack, i-mess. I-Joburg mawuhamba khona iyanuka. Ngihambe Joburg every day going to work. Ijozi yanuka. Uphuma ufila bilious lapha ya ungazazi ukuthi uyangena or uyaphuma. Kugcwele kuphithizela ikhwapha yonke lento le. Le itolo zazirana bobani. From eDoronfontein ukunyuka uyongena it was a textile industry. Namhlanje abantu abasazi. Abazali bethu babesebenza. Yonke lento abazali bethu that could achieve at our age. Thina mele sisebenze twice if not 3 times as hard ukuthi si achieve leyo nto leyo. Because someone else is willing to take income ebhedayo. We go to school, siyofunda, only to come back and have someone willing to take low msebenzi loyo for a salary that is 3 times lower than the market price. Bese namhlanje kwenziwa ngathi ayinazosibhora ninazophaphela ne-English ebhedayo. Ho, yazi umuntu akhuluma bombastic saying a whole lot of nothing.
Ayikho into painful like what we're watching lapha Sherwood. Not sure if that is a park, but there's also a hall. Parks are built so that we get to enjoy them as community, like Bagi and whatnot. Yeah. Right now, that park is being used by over 4,000 illegal immigrants, which has been verified by the Home Affairs. So all those immigrants there do not have papers. And I was looking at the videos of these people who are there at Sherwood. They've got babies on their backs, and then some of them are pregnant. And let us be frank and honest, is that the one who's pregnant was going to go give birth at a public hospital, and 99.9% they were not going to pay. The kids who are there go to public schools, and what we've seen at Eddington is that they don't pay school fees. And bayagcwala so much so that our own kids in South Africa end up not having iskhala. Bagcwala in our public hospitals, so much so that tina asinas iskhala. I was watching uJacinta ehlangene nabamabandla laphaya eDiacona, whatever, peace, what. Uyazama ukubachazela ukuthi the reason why silwa kangaka is we end up sharing lezi zinto that we shouldn't be sharing nabantu bokufika. And enye into futhi efuneke sigade is that kuthiwa hayi unawo amaphepha lona, awokwenzani lawo maphepha. Mina if ngidecide manje ukuthi lo msebenzi engiwenzayo sengifuna ukuyowenza eGermany, I will apply. Then Germany needs to assess ukuthi ayikho yini a local that can do that job. If ingekho local eyifunayo, then yes, I'm more than welcome to get that job. But abantu angasho ukuthi unamaphepha okuzovulisa kushop okuzodayisa amagwinya emgaqweni. Njengalo mama dedelela lapha ethi yena uxova amagwinya. Manje mina ngithuso ukuthi ngoba sikhule vele swadla amagwinya ukuthi bekephi yena methi ama-South Africans afuna uxova amagwinya. Thina sikhuliswa omama debedayisa amagwinya, angazi ukukhuluma ngani. So ipermit yakhe ekuzodayisa amagwinya eSouth Africa, usuke emalawo nizodayisa amagwinya. Nomzodayisa ama-fruits and veg emgaqweni. Guys, asingahlanyeleki phela manje. La ukhona nokusanganelwa manje nokujwayeleka kabi. Where's these people asibazi bafike in Huchia in South Africa, bafike kanjani eSouth Africa? Kodwa manje sebelinde into ezobahambisa. Babefike ngani? Yabona nje ukuthi ezinye izinto phela so sefuna ukulandela umthetho. Kahle ufuna kuthiwa guys, mawukade ugibela ingwenya, please hamba uyicinga emfuleni ngoba manje le mali lezi eziphumayo. I saw ukuthi now they want to start charging the countries, because yabo nje sizosala nemali ezinkulu ezikweletu kuthiwa kwahanjiswa bona labantu esingazi ukuthi babezokwenzani la. And into ebhlungu abanye bayasho bathi banezingane la, khona nje omunye okade namazinyo engathi udla abantu uyasho usazi unengane ngakho kuthi ingane zakho usanayo imali uyayishiya. Hayibo, uyabo ukuthi futhi kwanda ingane ezingondliwe. Ke sibazi ngoba yabo laba babaleka abafika emazweni apho ngiyabaphinde babuye ngoba ukondla kunzima kabi. Wona ususele nengane semalawo awukwazi ngisho kubo kwayo lapho, kodwa nanikhuzwa kuthiwa sinomona labantu banempatho banothando. Guys, niyayibona into esifake kuyona ngokungalaleli. Mina lento eyenzeka nje lapha eshe ukuthi manje thina yazi kunukudlula ngemoto ngiyakutshela guys, ayi ngoba ngibamini or anything, kuyanuka. Like umphakathi oseshewuthi ufuna ukwenze njani ke manje? Nje uhle nabantu more than 4,000 noma more than thousands of people. Kuthe sisuke igceke, kunamatende, kunama-toilets lawa a-mobile, angazi noma ayeza yini ukuzoklinwa, kodwa nje kuyanuka. Amaphepha-ke hayi ke aseyimbali egcekeni. Oyenye into futhi ngizwa kuthiwa upresident waseMalawi ngejubane uza la private meeting. Yabo nje lo uhulumeni esamvotela, hayi bandla hayi. Sengathi angakamtshela ukuthi abantu bami mina abangisabi njengawe. Thina into efuneke eAfrica yazi ukuthi thina we are not afraid to face our governments like them. Yabo izolo they were doing something so beautiful, uniting as Africans against South Africa, but they can't unite and fight against the injustices happening in their country. They will never unite and speak on those kids that are in the bushes lapha in Nigeria. They won't. They will not unite and speak on yini rep yini M23 lesekong. Ngeke ba unite. Bazo unite ukuthi funeke balwe ne South Africa because South Africa isithe phumani. Into yakhona ukuthi ibafana bivele izoyishawelwa whether besupportwa yibona noma benga support bivele izoshawa nje ibafana ngoba uBruce bezenzele into zakhe uHugo Bros noma uBruce whatever the name is. So hayi ngoba sishayele isupport yabo. And futhi the thing yokuba under yokuthi God will see us. Why can't God see your president and punish your president or your government for doing such wrong things to you that you have to come and stay in a country where you're not wanted? Why can't God punish those leaders? Why is God going to punish South Africans who want better for themselves? What a stupid God you serve, who doesn't see your immediate need but sees other stupid things. This God cannot punish the immediate person who's responsible for you and will come and punish me here because I'm marching and exercising my constitutional rights. Yo, guys, you'll need to grow up. If you want African unity, do it for the correct things.
Yes, I did. Because isn't that how you guys let us know? You made videos, you made comments, so we're letting you know. But you know what I find interesting about these chest pains? Is that illegal immigration is a crime. It is literally a crime. So I don't know if we are promoting the crime or what we are upset about. If we say we are upset because of violence, agreed. If you say you are upset because of the protest, I will not agree because protests in South Africa are legal, right? So people are allowed to protest. But illegal immigration is a crime. And let me read it for you. Section 49(1)(a) makes it a criminal offense for anyone to enter, remain, or depart from South Africa in violation of the Act. Conviction can lead to a fine or imprisonment of up to 2 years. Section 49(1)(b), an illegal immigrant who fails to leave after being ordered is guilty of an offense punishable by a fine or 9 months in prison. Section 49(2) criminalizes the act of knowingly assisting someone to enter or remain in the country illegally. Section 49(3) outlines the criminal penalties for an employer who knowingly employs an undocumented immigrant. What are you fighting? What are you fighting? I'm confused by this conversation. If the conversation says your approach, the violence, if there's violence, and say, Samantha, the violence, and I'll be like, I agree, no violence. But illegal immigration is a crime that leads to further crimes. So what are you guys defending?
Hello, Mzansi. Welcome to Mgozi waseMzansi. This is Uphakela Umthakathi sending a message to my illegal foreigners lahlala South Africa and the South Africans. Uthi abahambe bayohlakanipha emakhantrini abo since bayasho ukuthi ma-South Africans abakafundi, they are uneducated. Uthi abahambe nabo bayolwela amavabo boNigeria kunebantwana laba abathumbako bona bahleli la South Africa ne-education yabo labathi banayo. Uthi ayihambe imigodoyi ibuyele emaveni abo. Uthi ngeke indzawo yokuqosha abantu bokufika eSouth Africa ngalokho ngeke emthethweni bakwekele. They will fight until bayinqoba le nto leto basita njena ngokuthi babhakete ikhwama tabo babuyele emaveni abo. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.